Hey friends, we can work more smartly on the web if we are using correct tools. In this video, I have Folk, and it is like the sales assistant your team never had. Folk CRM does the busy work for you so you can focus on your growing service business. So this is a perfect CRM that you can use, but this is not a promotional video. What Folk CRM offers you? You can connect your CRM to LinkedIn and 7 plus platforms. One click enrichment gives you to find contact details with waterfall enrichments. Messages and sequences sends ultra personalized emails and get analytics. Dashboards offer you to analyze your sales funnel and get insights to inform your business strategy. And pipeline management gives you track details and know where to focus with our collaborative pipelines. And integrations turns Folk into your single source of truth for your ideas and deals. So what is Folk CRM? This is basically a CRM that converts more and that gives you an idea which business inquiry you have to work exactly. Finally, a CRM that works for you, and simple setup is here. A single source of truth that you can connect your Folk with world with thousands of integration, so your email, social and sales tools like talk to each other. And here built for team selling, so sales is the multiplier game. Folk has lets you collaborate closely with your team with styling and control to your ideas. So similarly, we have all the options that we need actually to expand our business, like capture contacts fast as lightning. You can research, you can outreach, you can catch up, you can follow up, and you can close the leads. So these are the basically sales pattern that we generally follow, but while we are using a CRM, it is going to be super to convert more and more leads and get more business. So this is not free, it needs a pricing, and you can go for annual or monthly pricing. And here are the deliverables that you are going to get. In the standard model, you can get 2000 emails per member per month or 500 enrichments per month, one email domain, and there are several things that you can opt what exactly you need for your business. But I can say this is AI based CRM and it is going to help you in every manner in growing your business. You can get a demo, you can start a free trial, so don't wait, just use this and feel the difference. You are certainly going to love this. In the next video, I'm coming with more, and you are going to work smartly on the web, or you are going to set up your digital business at your own. So watch continuously videos coming on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.